And I'm back. So it's been a bit and a half, but I'm really excited to announce that I'm going to be back on YouTube making videos. As kind of a recap video, I thought it would be nice to make a video on what I've been up to for the past 8 months. And today here I have a new camera. I'm shooting with the Canon EOS R, and I thought it would be a nice little thing to edit this video in C-Log. So yeah, there you go. For those of you who don't know, I left my job back in February. Notice, I gave 2 weeks notice. But since then, I've been focusing on more freelance photo and video work, and so far it's been a really big learning curve. And starting out, I actually found it incredibly difficult because I didn't actually go to school for photography. I went to school for interior design. And during my time there, I actually picked up photography and video as a hobby. When I was in design school, I actually posted weekly vlogs documenting my journey at design school and going through the process of making these different projects. That being said, I was mostly self-taught, and a lot of the things that you would do in a professional workplace, I wasn't able to pick up, or I didn't have the experience or knowledge on it. And my friend Anthony Saleh, you might have seen him in my Instagram stories or one of my previous YouTube videos. He's actually been helping me get started, so it's been super helpful for me to be able to work with someone like that, because he's been doing this type of work for freelance photo and video for the past 5-6 years. So I've been getting more invested into this line of work, and I had the opportunity to actually work with him on some jobs that we did, commercial photo and video gigs. Now he's been doing this for a little while now, and I can't express how grateful I am to actually have that opportunity to work with him. So far we've done some commercial videos for highlight reels, we've done some portrait headshots, we've shot some events together, and I think overall I'm just a whole lot happier doing what I'm doing now than when I was working at my previous job or even studying interior design at school. And through working with Anthony, I actually had the opportunity to use some unfamiliar gear like a time-lapse rail or the Sony FS5, which is really expensive high-end video camera. So far it's been an incredible learning experience. But that being said, it wasn't all rainbows and unicorns. There was actually quite a bit of struggle coming into this field of work. I mean, there were absolutely some moments where, you know, I kind of freaked out like this. Hiding away from the whole event outside, because now I'm just getting anxious. I'm not used to using any of this gear, so everything's like really out of hand. Really unwieldy because everything's a lot bigger, heavier, and not easy to bring around. And I think just like the technical aspect of this is just, we don't have a lot of experience, and I just feel really bad about it. Anthony doesn't actually know about that, so you know, keep it on the DL. Unless he's watching this, then hi. And more recently, I've been attending some photography meetups, which is really cool. We're just a group of photographers. Video light died, so I guess I'll just kind of continue like this. Anyways, more recently I've been attending some photography meetups where basically like a group of photographers and models just book out a studio. Normally I think we've been going to some studios downtown Toronto, and I had the opportunity to meet and see how other photographers work with models, and I found that just super interesting, and the first couple times was just really out of my comfort zone, so I've been doing that. It was really cool to actually be around that crowd of people, just because everyone's there, you know, doing the same thing and learning off of each other, and I think seeing that community presence here in Toronto is really, I guess, encouraging. Also, since my last video, I believe I was shooting with the Canon 60 and Canon M5. I've since upgraded to this now, which is the Canon EOS R, and just have like a Canon M50 as a B cam. You know, if you're interested in gear videos, maybe videos on that later on in the future. So anyways, I'm just really excited to be back here on YouTube and posting regularly every Sunday once again. So stay tuned for more photography and videography related content on this channel. You can hit the subscribe button down below if you enjoy this type of content, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye.